Measuring the ground flatness firstly, height difference should not exceed 3 mm with intermediate length. It needs to check the drawings carefully, and lay the dry underfloor heating panels accordingly. Laying turning universal head firstly from wall, then put straight panels inside. Maintain grooves alignment between straight panel and turning universal head. It can put high compressive XPS boards beneath wardrobes and small gaps. It should use fiberglass aluminum foil tape to seal the gaps between panels. Use high compressive XPS board at manifold area, and use foam hot melt knife to open grooves. The universal heads, flexible pipe installing. High quality aluminum plate 0.3 mm thick, good heat diffusion.